Breakfast is often considered the most important meal of the day, setting the tone for the rest of your day. Choosing soft and healthy breakfast options can provide you with the energy and nutrients needed to kickstart your morning. Whether you prefer something sweet or savory, these 5 soft and healthy recipes are sure to satisfy your taste buds and keep you feeling nourished throughout the day. 1. Overnight oats. Ingredients: ½ a cup rolled oats, 2 cup Milka dairy-free alternative, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Fresh fruits and nuts for topping. Instructions: 1. In a mason jar or container, combine rolled oats, milk, chia seeds, and vanilla extract. 2. Stir well, cover, and refrigerate overnight. 3. In the morning, add your favorite fresh fruits and nuts as toppings. 4. Enjoy this delicious and nutritious breakfast that is not only soft but also packed with fiber and protein. 2. Banana pancakes. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana, mashed, 2 eggs, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, coconut oil for cooking. Instructions: 1. In a bowl, mix mashed banana, eggs, and cinnamon until well combined. 2. Heat coconut oil in a pan over medium heat. 3. Pour small amounts of the batter into the pan to form pancakes. 4. Cook for a few minutes on each side until golden brown. 5. Serve warm with a drizzle of honey or maple syrup for a soft and healthy breakfast option that is both satisfying and nutritious. 3. Scrambled tofu. Ingredients: 1/2 block firm tofu, crumbled, 1/2 red bell pepper, diced, handful of spinach, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. In a skillet, sauté diced bell pepper until softened. 2. Add crumbled tofu, turmeric, salt, and pepper. Cook for a few minutes until heated through. 3. Add spinach and cook until wilted. 4. Serve hot for a soft and protein-packed breakfast option that is perfect for vegans and vegetarians. 4. Greek yogurt smoothie bowl. Ingredients: 1 cup Greek yogurt, mixed berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, granola or nuts for topping, drizzle of honey. Instructions: 1. In a bowl, add Greek yogurt as the base. 2. Top with mixed berries, granola, and a drizzle of honey. 3. Enjoy this creamy and nutritious smoothie bowl for a soft and refreshing breakfast that is rich in protein and antioxidants. 5. Avocado toast with poached egg. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, mashed, 1 egg, whole grain bread, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Toast the whole grain bread until golden brown. 2. Spread mashed avocado on top. 3. In a separate pot, poach the egg until cooked to your desired consistency. 4. Place the poached egg on the avocado toast. 5. Season with salt and pepper for a soft and wholesome breakfast option that is loaded with healthy fats and protein. Conclusion: starting your day with a soft and healthy breakfast is essential for fueling your body and mind. These 5 delicious recipes offer a variety of options that are not only easy to prepare but also nutritious and satisfying. Incorporate these recipes into your morning routine to kickstart your day right and set yourself up for success.